So today is another unboxing video. Finally, you waited for so long. So definitely you can see from here, this is a MacBook Pro. So to be exact, this is a MacBook Pro M2, 16GB and 512GB. So let's open unbox. So the last MacBook actually you can see from my video, it should be 2 years ago. So it's something like this. It's very standardized MacBook. So you can peel this out. Okay, let's look at the accessory first. They give you USB-C to USB-C. So they just give you this plug. It's very standard. Last time, old model, they give you the extension so you can buy. So this one just rely on the USB-C cable, not the length. If like too far, too near, you need to settle. So this one is empty one, is the Kosong one. And let's look at the document. Actually, nobody read one, but usually people just refer to this sticker. Silver color, it's not the white. Usually it's a white color. So the rest, just keep it. Nobody read one. Now let's open the new MacBook Pro. So it's from behind, so you can peel it very slowly, and then open it up. Okay, so something like this. And then once you open, so you will see the sound, and then another section. And then this will be the standard hello. The configuration, so you need to wait a while. The thing I don't like is, you can see here is only two USB-C port lah. So for me, it's tak cukup lah. So another side is just the audio port. You can see here. So it's tak cukup for me. Why? Like imagine I use one port for internal SSD and then another for power, and then I want an external monitor, then tak cukup already. I know can use adapter. Okay, this is another solution. So I prefer the MacBook Pro 14. So they have like another port, so I can the power supply. They use another. I know the adapter can solve this problem. So just for comparison, this is the new one, and then this is the old one. Basically, it's the same color lah. I don't think can you see the differences. So totally it's the same one, MacBook Pro from 2 years ago. So how to differentiate? Actually, you can see very tiny here. You can see the model name. So this one is A2338. So this is the new one. Then the old one is A2289. So you can differentiate from here. So the rest, everything is the same. So it's the same trackpad, size also the same. So I also have the same touch bar. So it's the same. So if you're looking for like something new, so I hope this new laptop can make me, because I heavily editing a lot. To be frank, this is the last Intel model before switch to the M1. Finally, I switched to the M2, so it will really reduce my exporting time and during the video editing time. And this one is not a base model, it's customized model. It's 16GB, 512GB, not the base model 256. Better for me for editing videos, so no need to plug into the external SSD. Another thing I want to share is the lifetime of the battery. So you can check from here. My older laptop, the health information, the cycle count already 1048. So according to Apple, they say it's like 1000. Sometimes they're asking to change. They will show notification. They will show something like, oh, your battery is the time to change. You need to change. That one is a very big cost, not cheap. So far, still okay. So the battery still can tahan. Performance is fine. After 1024 days I'm using, so the battery cycle used already over 1000. So I've been using this for 2 years and 9 months. So it's time to pass to someone else. Then I'm switching to this. Basically, it's the same model. Everything is the same, but just the different processor and different storage.